Hello Sonia.
Hi Shimu, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I'm also fine.
I like your laptop. Where is it from?
It's from England.
May I talk to you?
Sure,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Where's your bag from?
It is from in1.
How much it was?
It was stuck 1,000.
Hello Shimu, what does your father do? He is in service. And what does your father do? My father is a businessman.
What's this?
This is a book.
What kind of book?
This is an English book.
Hello Fatin, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine. What are you doing?
Now I'm reading. And you?
Nothing.
Oh, thank you.
Hello Cynthia.
Hello Nafisa.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm also fine. Do you know my mother?
Yes, I do.
Do you know my brother?
No, I don't.
Hello Jakaria. How much is this?
This is 200
How much is that?
and that is 300.
Hi Shana.
Hi Mo.
Is this your pen?
Yes, this is. Is that your water?
No, that is not.
Which school do you study in?
I study in Bangla school, and you?
I study in Mirpur College.
How much is this?
This is 200 taka.
How much is that?
That is 300 taka.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I do.
Why do you like?
Because my school is so beautiful and I like my teachers.
I need a pen. Can you give me?
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
You're most welcome.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do.
When do you watch TV?
I watch at 10 p.m.
What do you watch?
I watch movies,
With whom do you watch?
sometimes alone and sometimes with my siblings.
Okay.
Hey, where's my pencil?
Your pencil is on the table.
And where's my bag?
It's on the bed.
Hello Asif. Where are you going?
I'm going to school, and you?
I'm going to school too.
Okay, bye. Have a great day.
Have a nice day.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I do.
When do you go to sleep?
At 10 p.m.
Hello, Habiba. How are you?
I'm fine. And you?
I'm also fine. How do you go to school?
I go to school by car. And you?
I go to school on foot.
Do you know my mother?
Yes, I do. Do you know my brother?
No, I don't.
I want to go to market
Why?
because I will buy something.
What will you buy?
I will buy a toy.
What kind of toy?
I will buy a car.
What? Okay, we will go at 4 p.m.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Where is my pen?
It's in your pocket.
Oh, you are right.
Where is Sojib?
He is playing.
What is he playing?
He is playing cricket.
Where is he playing?
He is playing in the field.
May I borrow your pen for a minute?
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome.
What are you talking about? I don't understand.
Okay, I will make it clear about it.
Who are they?
They are my friends.
Will you play with me?
Yes, I will. What will you play?
I will play football.
Where is your school?
It's the Mirpur.
What is the name of your school?
Mirpur Bangla School and College.